should I forget? But it was the best. You should have been there, yeah. I know, honey, honey, I know it was just a dream. Oh, words roll off of it, a flash sentence out there where one's never been. Deliver it to me so we can agree. I say I see what you mean, but it don't mean a thing to me. I can't believe it if you don't believe it's just a dream. I could describe my mind to you. I remember the words, but not the tune. By the time that I wake up, roll out of bed, and my feet hit the floor, that dream is dead, 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 dead. Dreams. So I'm going to sleep where I can be free, but I can escape out through this barricade. I'm coming back with empty hands.